Hi, smart contract maxis. Welcome back to our second part of payment token, which is the TIP like ERC20 payment token smart contracts. And in the previous video, we created these smart contracts, and in this second part, we are going to write deploy script, and we are going to deploy it on uh, Tempo blockchain. So in previous video, let's brief recap. We created this contract payment token. We declare this state variables mapping to address balance of and allowance. We have this events. Then we declare this function modifiers constructor. We have functions like transfer, approve, transfer from, transfer with memo, and then we have mint and burn functionalities. Then we have admin functionalities like pause, unpause, and we have successfully compiled our smart contracts with some warnings, but it's okay. And now in this video we are going to write deploy script, and we are going to deploy it on Tempo blockchain. So let's go ahead and create a new file, payment token, uh, sorry, deploy payment token. Deploy let's rename it deploy payment token .s.sol. Let's start writing our deploy script. Let's pull it down. Pragma Solidity 0.8.33, which is the latest version we are going to use. Then license identifier MIT. Let's declare our contract. Deploy payment token. Payment token is script because it is script. And let's import our script from for standard library script. And along with this, we need to import console from forge std slash script.sol. And we also need to import our payment token, right? Payment token smart contract payment token from dash slash dot slash src slash payment token dot sol. That's it. So let's go ahead and let's declare our run function here, function run, and make it external, right? Then let's take a variable here like deployer, address of the deployer. Let's message dot sender. And now let's console.log here, the deployer console.log. And let's pass deployer here. Actually, yeah, let's pass here plus let's uh, deployer. And that's it. Okay, now let's go ahead and let's console.log. Let's print here the network also. So let's print here network. Network tempo testnet. Tempo testnet. And chain id is like chain id 4243, I think 42431. Yes, the right. And now let's go ahead and start broadcast pm dot not cm pm dot start broadcast. And Let's initialize here. Our payment token is equal to new payment token, and we need to pass. We have the constructor here, right? Where is our constructor? Yeah, inside the constructor we are taking name, symbol, and max supply. So let's pass one by one. The name, let's say demo USD, and symbol is like DUSD, and the maximum supply, let's say 1 billion tokens. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Let's multiply it by 10. I hope you know why I am multiplying it at 6, which is for 6 decimals, right? Now let's mint initial supply. What is this here? Implicitly converted type of. Let's, what is this error payment token? Yeah, we forgot to add the token name here. So let's go ahead and mint initial supply. For that, let's take here variable uint 256. Let's name it initial supply. Initial supply is equal to, let's make it, initial supply is equal to, let's say 10,000 multiply 10, and let's 6 decimals, right? Let's go ahead and token dot mint, right? And 2 is our deployer, which is we declared as a message dot sender. The amount is like initial supply, initial supply, right? We are going to mint 10,000 tokens here. And what is this error? Undeclare verifier. Let's copy this and paste it now. And now let's stop broadcasting. pm dot stop broadcast, right? Now let's go ahead and some let's display some results here, like token details. So let's copy this console.log here and paste, and let's token details to make it beautify, uh, to beautify it. And now let's pass one by one the console.log. We need couple more console.logs here to display the information. So the first we are going to pass the name, and here token dot name, and here let's pass the symbol, what is this error? Expected this but got this. Now expected this but got this. Token dot symbol, dot log symbol. Now let's pass here the decimal, now decimals. So decimals is like, decimals is like token dot decimals, right? And now we have this so far. Let's add more info here, like supply info. Okay, to for printing supply info, we are going to add console.log. Let's pass here total supply. Let's say token dot total supply, and we need to divide. Oh, we are here our string, and we need to divide it by 10 multiply 6, and then we need to pass the token here or the tokens. What is this error? Token supply expected string and quote, expected string in quote total supply. Yeah, this was the VS Code error. Let's add console.log log, and let's print here maximum supply, max, inside the string max supply, and we need to pass token dot max supply, and let's divide it by 10, and the same process here. So let's copy, there we go. Now we have, let's pass let's supply sorry, let's even log console.log owner balance, right? So let's owner balance, and here token dot balance of deployer, we need to pass deployer here, and same with, we have to multiply like this, and like this. Let's go, and now we are going to deploy. So we are almost done. What are the errors? Let me see. These are the not errors. You can log more consoles here, like contract address, it will automatically comes, but like you can add view on block explorer and all of this, but I'm not going to add it. It will be very long video to log more uh, details in more details. So yeah, our let's compile again our contracts if everything is going good, and you can see our contracts are successfully compiled, compiler run successful. Let's now deploy. So for deploy, you can go in the founder.toml, and you can see this RPC URL, tempo testnet RPC URL moderato. But if you notice, we didn't create a .env file here to store our private keys and because I am going to use here my Foundry key store wallet. So make sure you have this, or you can go to Foundry document or Foundry official documentation here, and you can search key store wallet, how to create one, and how to add cast wallet public key, and all of these commands. So you can run cast. Foundry comes with 4 important powerful components: cast, forge, chisel, and anvil. So these are very, so you can see all the sub commands and these are very powerful components. So you can see all the commands and sub commands. Cast wallet new, where you can encrypt and decrypt your private key, and then you can create this wallet. I will make a separate tutorial about this in upcoming parts. We are going to learn a lot of blockchain development on this channel, so make sure you are subscribing. So with that, let's start deploying our smart contract. So to deploy, I'm going to use uh, my keystore wallet. So let's run our script. For that, let's run this command for script. In script, inside that we have deploy payment dot is dot sol, and in that we have this contract, script contract, and then we need to pass rpc url. I'm going to pass directly from here. You can pass from there too, as we did in previous video, but I am going to do right here rpc url, then dash dash account, which is my wallet name, pandit, dash dash sender. So this is my account I added in my foundry keystore wallet. So I am copying this address, passing this here, and let's broadcast, and let's press slow and hit command or the control, sorry, and let's wait for some time. So it is compiling, and script ran successfully. You can see our logs deployer network, and we successfully deployed our smart contract, but it is asking me the password. So let's give it the password. So you can see the total supply and success hash. Owner balance is 10,000 tokens, and we successfully deployed our smart contract, right? You can see our contract address is this. Let's go, and let's verify it in on explorer. So I think explorer uh, dot uh, tempo dot xyz, tempo dot xyz. So you can see, yeah, on tempo explorer I copied this address, contract address, or you can copy the transaction hash as well. And let's search here. Let's go. It's taking time, I don't know why. So yeah, you can see it is coming. Let's copy. You can see the C4A active 1 minute ago, asset contract. We are not, we didn't verified it. So you can see the, let's again paste C4A. You can see C4A, the same contract I copied. So yeah, let's check again. So yeah, so you can see the deploy contracts, the deployment, and the less than $0.2, and we successfully minted on this address, which is my wallet address. You can see this is my wallet address b9, and on that address we minted this 10k tokens. So you can see block sender, this is b9, my wallet address, this transaction has, and we minted 10k tokens, and we paid gas fees in less than 0.01 USD. So with that, we didn't verified our smart contract, but in upcoming videos, verifying smart contracts is very important. In upcoming videos, we will verify this smart contracts, or I will show you how you can verify your smart contracts on Tempo blockchain. You can interact from here also. So you can connect your wallet from here, and interact with this smart contract. So we have this function. If you remember, we created the transfer. So if you go back, we have all the functions here. Like if you see, we have transfer which is taking 2 and unt 256 amount. You can see the transfer, it is taking 2 address and the amount. So you can paste here your address and uh, the you can add the value and you can execute. Let's try this. You can even the pause and unpause, I think. Yeah, from here. And you can see the maximum supply it is. So you can see we executed a function maximum supply. Owner is me, I am, and the symbol is DUSD, demo USD. Total supply is this much, and decimals are this much. It is and is minter and address, allowance, and balance of. So all the functions you can here see here, and you can interact with this smart contract from the block explorer itself. So with that, I am closing this video, and we are going to build a lot of smart contracts on Tempo blockchain. I will come with different projects, ideas, and different smart contracts in upcoming videos. So make sure you are subscribing this YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.